Hey there, this is my new toy. It is a Duraforce, and I love the Duraforce. It is a 10552. It's an electric start. It's an electric start, and my husband got it going, so I am going to try to get it started. Prime it, put it down to choke. Oh, is the gas on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have a switch, so.
It has old gas in it, so I expected it to smoke terribly. I think it works.
Works like a charm.
Yep. It's got a little extra oil in it, but I think it sat for a while, so I expected that. The electric start does work on it also. It's just going to need a battery. I put a weak battery in there and it started to kick over, but it didn't have the energy to turn it over. So I think this is a great mower. This was given to us by a great friend of ours. My wife likes this style mower, and I don't blame her. It's a good strong engine, easy to work. I'd like to put a battery in it so that way she can have easy living, at least when she mows the yard. I think she probably won't mow the yard anyway. She's got so much videos and other things to do, she won't get to it. But she did mow this side. The mower worked great. Just need a little trimming on the edge and it will do a fine.
And it's good to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. Thank you.
And eat bacon.
Bacon.